Hey, Nykel. All right, so look, let me show you how to get to hook your funnel skit up to PayPal developer account. All right, so on your your funnel skit, say you just logging on whatever, you probably gonna see this screen. Um, I just want to break it down because I had the hardest time. Oh my god, it's like day 3 of trying to figure this out. So I don't know. I'm like a new guy, new guy to this funnel skit. You probably are too because it's just created. Still in the beta test stages or whatever. All right, so look, you go to general. He says that in the video. Then you go ahead and hit that connect PayPal, right? All right, that's simple. We're gonna figure that part out. All right. Once them two things pop up, what you're gonna do is go over. Oh snap! You're gonna go to developerpaypal.com. Make sure you logged in, of course. Then go over here to dashboard. In his video 2, he explains that. Video 1 don't have that. All right. Then he says go down to create app, but don't do that. All right, this where because Sandbox is right here. Didn't realize that. Just figured it out. I had to call PayPal, and I figured out waiting on PayPal to call me back on hold. Hit that live. All right, as you can see, I had a couple failed attempts, like 3, and I think 4. I don't know what's up with that one, but this one the one that ended up working. All right, so on that live section, you hit create app because you notice if you go the other way. When you hit create app, why is my why is my connection acting so slow? But you know that live is not up here. You're like, okay, in his video it's live, but it's not. It's not live. I don't know why it should have went somewhere. But you get my point. On that screen, it's not live. It don't have Sandbox or live. Sandbox is to test, and it's no option for live. That's because it's one step before. Okay, it really don't matter. Mine is hooked up. So once you do that, then you hit you be on the other screen after the create app. Go over to funnel scripts, connect PayPal. You're gonna have 2 options to put in 2 different things. You're gonna a regular key and then a secret key. I think is what it is. Go ahead and put that in there. Then put that in there with those keys, and you should be good to go. It will not work with Sandbox. If it's just Sandbox, it has to be live. So put them live keys up in there and then hit enter or whatever, activate. I don't know what the heck, whatever the hell it say. Hit that button. I don't want to click this button because then you have my credentials, and I don't want that. Hackers, stay out of my account, please. Thank you. All right, so appreciate everybody who is out there getting it like me, out there having their own journey, making their own way, money online. If you are interested in learning more about Funnels Kit as I learn, we can learn together. Go ahead. I got a Funnels Kit group that I created on Facebook. Look for a link in the description if you want access to it. And let's learn this together, man. All right. As always, stay focused, learn something all the time, take action. I'll see you on the next video. Yeah.